Connecting a capacitor to an exhaust fan is simple, but safety is key. First, turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Safety first. Most single-phase motors use a capacitor start or capacitor run setup. For a capacitor start motor, the capacitor is only used during startup. For a capacitor run motor, it stays in the circuit during operation. You'll need a properly rated capacitor, insulated connectors, and a multimeter. Identify the motor wires: purple for start, blue for run, and gray for common. Connect the capacitor between the start and run wires. Live wire goes to run, neutral goes to common. Ensure the capacitor is rated for AC and correct voltage. Secure all connections. Turn on the power and test the fan.